Today we're going to be writing the cursive word multiplication. To start, let's define it. So the definition of multiplication is the process of adding equal groups. An example of this would be 5 times 4. What I'm really saying is let's add 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So if I add that up, it's 5, 10, 15, 20. So 5 times 4 will equal 20. Now that we understand a little bit better what multiplication means, let's try to write it. So when I'm looking here, I want to start by seeing if there's any special parts. And immediately I notice that this O and N are connected at the top, which means that there's only going to be one bump on the N when I write it. Now that we know what to look for, let's go ahead and try to write it. We're going to start by going nice and slow and making sure to not pick up our pencil while we write it. That way it's one nice fluid movement. All right, let's start with the N. The M looks kind of like a candy cane when we start, coming down at a diagonal line. We're going to come back to the top and down to the floor, back to the top, and down to the floor. Now we're going to connect to the U. This is going to go to the halfway line. Okay, back down. Now we're going to go about 3/4 of the way up for the L. Come back down. Now 3/4 of the way for the T. Notice I'm keeping the lines nice and tight together. Now about halfway for the I. And back down. And all up for the P. And we're going to come below the line. And loop it. Back up for the L, again 3/4. Crossing right at the bottom. About halfway for the I. Notice I'm not dotting it just yet. Come and do your C, again going to that halfway line. A, again at the halfway. Okay, about 3/4 for your T, not crossing just yet. Halfway for your I. Now we're going to connect again at the top for the O. Okay, so just one bump here needed. And there you have it, multiplication. Now we can go back and do the little fine touches. So we're going to cross our T's and dot our I's. And now you have multiplication written in cursive. For more practice, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and you can see the show notes for more similar videos. I will also be linking my description for my Teacher Pay Teacher store where you can find my cursive practice pages. Thank you for watching, and remember, cursive is a skill, so the more you practice, the better you'll get. I'll see you next time. Bye!